Hello, my name is R.A.SH from R.A.SH. Today I'm going to show and describe how our solutions for the dual LIN dual CAN gateways for the Ford, which is a very important car in this industry. So this is the Ford, and I am going to show how does it work now. This is our dual CAN dual LIN. So basically we have this line is going to the body control module. This line, the twisted ones, are going to the module or the steering module, and these are the LIN lines which you have to cut, because this car has dual, the LIN for the wipers, CAN for the turn signals, cruise control, and all the rest. So this is a little module. This is a small box that can do it, manufactured by us. What I'm going to show here is just here. Okay, so for the factory, okay, this is the factory line is going to the connector side here. This is the module. So we cut the LIN gateway. We cut the LIN line and goes to the gateway, and this is the other end after cutting. So we ended up with dual LIN. The CANbus is the same. So basically we cut the CAN because we need to do the turn signals, wipers, and cruise. And the other line, after cutting, we end up with this line. So okay. Of course, this is the one of our input devices. We can use many others, okay, many types, like joysticks, like touch screens, or whatever. So the system, when we switch off the ignition, the switch goes off, and after the car go to sleep, then the system goes into extreme low power, which is like microamps power consumption. Here I'm going to start the engine because today is very hot. We need air conditioning a little bit here to make it easier. All right, now what I'm going to show is just the system first. Here is the system. It doesn't cancel, so basically I can indicate, still use the factory. Okay, flash, high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam, and still I can use the wiper. So basically here we have the intermittent wipe, normal wipe, rapid wipe, of course, and the wash. Okay, now I'm going to show from our device. So I start with the wipers because it's on the LIN, and this is new technology. So here, if I press the short press, I get the intermittent wipe. Now also I can wash anytime. So regardless of the intermittent, regardless of the function, we can always press and hold to do the wash. Here we have the normal wipe, so press and hold, we can wash. We can use the high speed or the rapid wipe, press and hold for wash, and off. Now the system indicate by double beeping, so to indicate it's off, so it's easy for the driver to know what's going on. Of course, now for the turn signal, so I can indicate, for example, on the factory, so I can see it. I can override that by pressing to the other end, to the other side. If I switch it off, it goes back. Of course, I can indicate also right, which is the factory is indicated, but if I turn it off, the system is still indicating. We can turn it off. We have also indication on the factory, so basically it's good for driving instructors. Here I indicate right, indicate left, so we have indication on the touchpad. Of course, I'm going to show some more functions. So here is the flash. Press and hold for the high beam, press and hold for low beam, or press and hold for high beam, shortly press, flash, exactly like the factory. Of course, there is one more thing here. So basically, cruise control active. Okay, so to show that, I'm going to turn it off from the steering. So where is this? Off, cancel. So here we have cancel, cruise. Yeah, cancel here. So the cruise is off now, so we can see on and off. Now usually on all my systems, if it's supported by the van or the car, so while driving, you can press the left indicator, press and hold. So basically you get the set and the on, so you don't need to remember to turn it on. So press and hold, it activates. So anytime while driving, so press the foot brake, it cancels, press and hold, because it's already on. So basically we can only set the speed. So every time I press and hold, it sets, shortly press indicate, shortly press indicate. So I can indicate left, press and hold for, I'll have to move the mask because it's too difficult. Ooh. Okay. right, so these are the basic functions, okay, so including cruise control. So I will turn off the cruise control from the steering. Here it's turned off, and here if I press and hold, it will do the on and set. Okay, now if I press the brake, it cancels. Press and hold again, it will set only because it's already in the on state. Now also for the turn signal, so for example here I can indicate right, I can cancel it by the steering position. Okay, I can do the same here for the indicate left, same thing. Okay, I'm going to show one more little bit complex function. So basically if I turn, I indicate left and I rotate the steering all the way right, like going into a roundabout, same thing here. Now the steering is straight, okay, cancels only on return of the so this is our CAN dual link gateway. We specialize in this, and I hope we can see some other of our products in some other cars. Of course, this module, yeah, the input device, this is the connector here that can go to the input device. So basically you can plug a joystick, touchpads, low effort switches, and the touch screen, and also there is like an input here with an RJ12. Okay, so you can put like 5 switches for low effort switches, including the cruise control, like food switches or whatever. Thank you.